Hello everyone, in this quick video we would be looking at how to create an SSH key. For this I would be launching my terminal. I am using MOBA XTerm on my Windows. I go to the folder where I would like to create the keys. As you could see, we have these many keys in the correct directory. I'll clear the screen. The command for creating the key pair is SSH Keygen. I'll provide the number of bits I want on the key. I'll put it as 4096. The type of key that we want would be an RSA, and the name in which I would like to save the key. I hit enter. It would ask me for a passphrase. I'll keep it empty, enter the same passphrase again. I will again keep it empty, and boom. So we have an RSA based key with a SHA-256 encryption. The size of the key is 4096. Again do an ls-l. You could see we have a PEM key and a public key. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.